Today I'm doing my cash stuffing for the first 2 weeks in September, so if you like cash stuffings, then stick around. Hey you guys, thanks for joining me today for my cash stuffing. I am working on the first 2 weeks of September, and I do have my cash planning sheet over here to the side. It's actually a couple of pages. I am not stuffing my wallet today. I'm a little bit late with my cash stuffing because of the launch last weekend and the orders that I had to pack last weekend. So I had to get my wallet stuffed for the week because I am into the week. I'm filming this actually on Wednesday, so I'm about 4 days late on when I normally film my cash stuffing. But I do have the rest of my sinking funds and my business binder that I need to get stuffed for the first 2 weeks of September. So I'm going to jump into that. I am working with $800 today for the rest of my sinking funds, and I am going to jump right in, I think. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff my 5K so that I can get that done and out of the way for the first 2 weeks of September. And today I am going to be stuffing 146, which is right here, and 74. So that's going to be a total of $220 that's going into the 5K. And I need to grab my card for September. And I'm just going to record that I am stuffing the 146 and the 74 and fill those two in. Okay, and that's going to be a total of $220. And I'm going to do that all in 20s. So I got 21, 20. Let me try that again. That's 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20. So that will get me underway for September. And then I have October, November, and December left. This year is almost over. Not that I'm rushing it, but it does just seem to be going really fast. Okay, then next I'm going to get into my family binder. And for my family binder, let me get my sheet over here. I am going to start by giving the boys their $30. So that will be a 20 and a 10. So the boys are going to have 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2. And then next, the princess is going to get 30. So she will now have a total of 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2 in hers. And I think do I need to update my trackers? I think I need to update my trackers. The baby is going to get 30. And he is going to have, well, he's got 200 in the bank. And then he's got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91, 1, 2, 3. So he's got a total of 303. And I told my son that he's like the richest one in the binder right now. So we're going to take some out of here and get him a few things. Next is going to be the parents, and the parents are going to get 30. So the parents will now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then the family is going to get 30. So the family will have 20, 40, 50, 60. And then we need to go to, I did holiday meals last time. Holiday meals, we have 25 in there. So I'm going to go to travel. And travel is going to get 15. So travel has 300 in the bank, 20, 40, 50, 5, 60. And this is for just short trip travel, weekend trips, not vacation necessarily, but fun trips. And then bucket list also has 300 in the bank and is going to get 15. So bucket list will have 20, 40, 50, 5, 60, so 360. Okay, and then that is going to be it for the family binder. And pretty soon I'm going to be changing out these binders back to my original binders because they're more fall and winter colors. If you remember, I got these in the spring. I bought these as a birthday gift to myself to have something a little bit lighter for the spring and summer, but I'm missing my deep, rich colored binders, and I'm going to be bringing those back. I just need to make some new envelopes, I think, for them, and probably will have those back by the end of the month. Okay, so in my self-care binder, I am going to be stuffing Beauty, and Beauty is going to get $15. So Beauty will have a total of 50, let me get it straight, 50, 70, 91, 105. And yep, I need to update these trackers too. Clothing is going to get 25. It's going to be a 20 and a 5. So clothing will have 20, 40, 60, 75. Hair is not getting stuffed this time. Medical is going to get 10. So then medical will have 50, 70, 80, 90. Nails is going to get 15. And I have to tell you, I had to cut the nails. They started breaking, and I have this rule. If I lose more than one, then I cut them all down. But my nails grow super fast. I'm still using my Amazon nail kit, which has just been fabulous. Did I put my $10 or 15? No, I didn't. So I need to put 15 in here for nails. And this I use for pedicures because I do like to go for a pedicure for the relaxation and therapy of it. So nails has 20, 40, 50, 65. And I probably will go for a pedicure this weekend. Personal is going to get 20, and this is basically my toiletries, if I want to sum it up for what this is. So personal will have 20, 40, 60, 80, 91, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 108 in personal. And then self-care is going to get 20. And I am saving up for a spa day. So self-care has 20, 40, 60, 70. And I mean the full treatment, spa treatment experience is what I am saving up for. Budgeting is not getting anything, but budgeting still has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 5, 6, 7. And I use this for my personal budgeting supplies as well as any support of other small shops, buying things from other small shops. Crafting is not getting anything this week. Crafting has $40 in there. Decor is going to get 25. So it's going to be a 20 and a 5. So decor will have 20, 40, 60, 5, 70 in decor. Entertainment is going to get 25. So it's a 20 and a 5. And so that will have a total of 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 10. And I think I'm going to use this for a theater experience. We have some good theater coming this fall. So I think I am going to use, save up for that. And then Indulge is going to get 25. And Indulge is basically my buffer. So if there's something that I have not budgeted for that I want to buy, or if I haven't budgeted enough in another envelope and I need to make up the difference, I'll go into my Indulge folder. So Indulge will have 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 101. And I don't know if you guys notice, I'm trying something different. Let me know what you think. I'm doing a closer view with the camera, just trying it out. So let me know what you think about it. I don't know. I kind of like the wider view because I can get more in it. But if we're focusing on cash stuffing, maybe I'll do close-ups for cash stuffings and then wider view for savings challenges and bigger things. But leave me a comment. Let me know. All right, and then we are going to go into the business binder. And in the business binder this week, let's see, we're going to start with, it's on my page 2. Equipment is going to get 15. So that's going to be a 10 and a 5. So equipment will have 20, 40, 55, 56. And then packaging is not getting stuff this week, but packaging has 20, 40, 50, 1, 2. So I'm pretty good on packaging right now. P.O. Box is going to get 20, and I have started saving for the next P.O. Box renewal, which will be in February. So P.O. Box will have 20, 30, 40. And the P.O. Box renewal was 122 in August. It went from 116 to 122. Postage, I do need to add some to postage this time. So postage is going to get 20. So rebuilding that. Printing is going to get 30. So it's 20 and 30. So postage will have a total of 20, 30, 40. And then next will be subscriptions, and subscriptions is not getting anything this time. Supplies is going to get 20. So supplies will have 20, 40, 60, 75. And then taxes will get 65, and this is for taxes for Etsy shop sales. So at 20, 40, 60, and a 5. So taxes has 100 in the bank, and then 100, 20, 40, 60, 5, 70. So 170 in taxes. Okay. And a website is not getting anything this week. Okay, I know what this is. All right, so that's going to do it for the business binder. Nothing for back to school, but still saving for back to school, but nothing this week. And then I need my holidays because I have to stuff for my holidays. So October is going to get $10. And October will have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, which is probably more than enough for October. And then November is going to get 20. So November will have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then December is going to get 20. So December will have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, and then I still need to unstuff. This is money that was left over in my wallet at each of the end of the weeks in September. And what I do is I take this money and I put it to my savings challenges. So when I do my savings challenge video next, I will take this money out, add it to the other money that I'm putting in my savings challenges, and that is where that money will go. And that's going to be it, you guys. It was a quick one today, probably because I had to do my wallet so I could have it stuffed for the week. So did not have that part of the video. But even though it was a quick one, I appreciate you joining me. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, I would hope you would consider subscribing. And please leave me comments. I love comments. Give this video a like so it helps get this video out in the YouTube algorithm. And then I will see you guys next time. Bye.